Hey, Penny.
Hi.
Am I disturbing you?
Yeah.
Well, I have a favor to ask of you.
Okay.
Hello, what's going on here?
Hey!
Boring.
Can I please cuddle with you?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes!
You don't like it?
A few moments later.
I love you. You love me? Oh.
Only cats can hear this sound that I'm about to play. All you have to do is bring your cat closer to your phone and just watch how they react to this sound. And if you don't have a cat, send this to someone who has one and ask them how they reacted.